Okay, starting with our first video lesson, what is a calorie? Starting from the very basic of the basic. So, a calorie is what the stuff that goes straight to your thighs, right? After eating that mama's pumpkin pie. Yeah, it is. But in scientific terms, what do we define a calorie as? Well, technically, a calorie is defined as the amount of energy it takes to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree C. I learned that at university, spending thousands of dollars, and you can learn it right here for free. So, fancy that. Anyways, calorie can also be defined as, it is a unit of energy, but it can also be defined as 4.2 joules or 0.004 BTUs for us imperial folk. And how is it measured? Well, quite simply, it's measured by blowing shit up. And by shit, I mean food. Literally, they take food and they put it into a little container. And in this container, it's put into a cup full of water. And basically, they burn the food. And the heat release from burning the food gets absorbed into the surrounding water, increases the temperature of the water, and that temperature increase is where we get the energy that was released. And that is gained by using a bomb calorimeter as pictured here, and that is what they use to measure the calories that you see on a nutrition facts label. And for US folk, it's good to mention that the calories on the nutrition facts label with a capital C are actually equal to 1 kilocalories or 1,000 calories as measured by the bomb calorimeter. Little fun fact, not super important, but just something to know. And that's basically it. Let's move on to the next lesson.